did not know I saw. He bit an angleworm in halves and ate the fellow raw. And then he drank a dew from a convenient grass, and then hopped sidewise to the wall to let a beetle pass. He glanced with rapid eyes that hurried all abroad. They looked like frightened beads. I thought he stirred his velvet head like one in danger cautious. I offered him a crumb, and he unrolled his feathers and rode him softer home. Then oars divide the ocean, to silver for a seam, or butterflies off banks of noon leap plashless as they swim. A bird came down the walk.
Imagine living almost your entire life in one house, watching the world through a window. To most people, a garden is just a garden. But to Emily Dickinson, it was a theater of life and death. While her contemporaries were writing epic poems about wars and kings, Emily was focused on a single bird landing on her garden path. Today, we're looking at A Bird Came Down the Walk, a poem that proves that nature is both beautiful and absolutely brutal. Dickinson starts by shattering our Disney image of nature. She doesn't see a singing bird, she sees a predator. She writes, "He bit an angleworm in halves, and ate the fellow raw." In your study notes, this highlights the power and strength of nature. As humans, we like to think of nature as something we can control. But here, the bird is the chief. It acts with an unembellished efficiency. It doesn't need a fork or plate. It takes what it needs from the abundance of nature. But look at the shift in the second stanza. After the raw meal, the bird becomes a gentleman. He drinks a dew from a convenient grass and then hops sidewise to let a beetle pass.
This is a key lesson for humans. Contentment.
The bird isn't greedy. He has had his fill and shows respect for other inhabitants. This is what we call the simple life. Now look at the dramatic effect the poet creates in the third stanza. The bird isn't cute anymore. He's terrified. Dickinson describes his eyes like frightened beads. She uses this powerful visual imagery to show that in the wild, being cautious is the only way to stay alive. The poem ends with an incredible metaphor. When the speaker offers a crumb, an act of human interference, the bird doesn't take it. Instead, he unrolls his feathers and rows home. Dickinson compares flight to rowing oars through a silver ocean. She suggests that nature is most beautiful when we don't interfere. The bird's departure is plashless. It leaves no seam, no mark. It reminds us that we are just observers of a world that doesn't actually need us.
Hit subscribe for more poetry breakdowns.